Okay guys, so I'm in my car and I'm at the famous Randy's Donut. Let me tell y'all something. If you've never been here, get here. I don't know how you gonna get here, but get here, honey. It's the best donuts ever, okay? And I'm not even gonna lie. This is what I got. I got me some rounds. The little round ones, I got 5. You could get 12 for $4. I got 5 because I don't want to overdo it. This is the best donut. The best. Oh my God. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Randy's is the best. It's right at the corner of Los Angeles and Manchester. You can drive in, drive through, drive in, anything you want. They have a lot of parking space. It's a big place. And you could just relax in your car and have a donut. Best donut on planet Earth. I'm gonna eat my 5 because you know semi crave bad. Donut can nice so man. I'm not even exaggerating, like you don't know what they use make them a donut, yeah. Nice so. I have no idea what they use to make these. I'm not sick, God. Guys, my God. Food nothing nice, so like I would do this. Them donuts are the best donut I've ever have in the whole wide world. My God. Nice. Let's see what I'm getting 30 pounds. Food. And so don't eat no sugar, don't eat this. Eat pear bush, but whether I eat sugar or bush, the outcome is still the same. So just do it in moderation. You know what, one joke? I'm looking at my bag and I want donut in my bag. I mean, I look on the donut, so I'm like, sure. Me just go buy 5 more. Food can nice, so. But I'm not buying no more. This is enough. Girl. I'm not even lying. Like, Randy's donut is the best donut. I don't know what they use and make the dough, but it's perfect. That's it. I'm done. Let me show y'all. So this morning, it's now almost 5 o'clock. This morning around, I would say around 10 a.m. this morning, I bought some donuts here at Winchells. And remember, I don't know, say, you already know that I'm very foodie like I love food. And I still have the dozen donut in here. Because here's one that I tasted a half and then I put the half back. Terrible. They need to see how dry that is. They need to ask Randy's Donut what they use, what they doing, because this ain't cutting it. No, this is where it's at. Sorry, Winchells. Sorry, guys. The line at Randy's is always long and the drive-through is always running. I kid you not. They're the best donuts. Best in California. I would say best everywhere. Them thing turn up, me not lie. It's a really nice spot. You can drive through. Drive in, drive through. There's always a line. Always. And then every donut shop you see with a big donut upon it is Randy's. Cause one time I went to this donut shop and I thought it was Randy's because it had that donut on there, and little did I know when I realized it was not Randy's. I was so mad. But there is Randy's, honey. Alright, my gone. It's in Inglewood, California.